Oh, right. This was one of the earliest tutorials I started following. This is probably one of the first ones when I began this year of learning. And I'm sorry about the fan in the background, but it's really warm here today. Um, anyway, this is probably one. I think this is the first tutorial I did. Uh, I started and I just kind of put it aside because at the time I was getting a little frustrated with having so much to do. I was doing the Unreal Editor, plus I was doing Blender, plus I was doing C++ programming, and then some Second Life scripting as well. So just got overwhelmed. Uh, and also artwork, traditional and digital artwork. And I came back to this recently, and I wanted to get this project finished and continue on with this tutorial course, which I believe is from Grant Abbitt, who's a probably I can't say enough about this guy because he makes learning Blender all over again really fun, and I like following his tutorials. He's very clear and concise, and I like that it's kind of like a slower paced um, kind of tutorial. And I am, as I find that I'm moving along more and more with Blender and getting reacquainted with it, I'm beginning to soak it in again and, not have to kind of go through, you know, like, like watching all the tutorials, all the intros, because I already know the layouts again. And that's happening because I've been watching so many of his videos. So I have to thank Grant Abbott. Um, if you want to learn Blender, there's where you start. It's with him. And the game dev team. I think this is from the game dev tutorials, but he's one of the instructors there, or collaborators. I don't know what you would call him. But I've taken his Blender courses, and I'm also taking his drawing, uh, you know, game art and digital drawing, which is the guy knows just a ton of stuff, and I just wish I knew a quarter of what he knows. But anyway, on with this video. This is where I left off, and I'm going to finish this up and get these projects completed and under my belt. So this is hopefully the next one to be completed, because they have some really cool ones coming up after this, and the more you learn. So we will continue this and other projects in the following days to come. So until the next video.